about you. Go poo. Go poo poo. You just peed. Now you go poo. Go poo poo. Go. Where'd you go, Elvis? What are you doing? Huh? Why you run away from me? Let's go eat chicken. Come on. Let's go, let's go. You're such a good boy. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Sit. Sit. Good boy. You're such a good boy, huh? Okay. Up, up. Come here. Good boy. You're such a sweetie. Mwah. I love you. Okay, let's go get chicken. Let's go get chicken. Come on. Let's go. Your favorite. Let's get some chicken. Chicken, you like chicken? No? You like chicken? Where's your chicken? Go chicken, go in. Go. Let's go. Go, go. Hey, it's time to take a bath. You ready? You ready, buddy? No? You look so scared. Just took a bath. Yay. No, you're not very happy about your bath, huh? Yeah. Shake. Good boy. Okay, come here. Come here. And you sit on the towel. I'm gonna blow dry your hair, okay? Look at that, you got hair all over my blanket. Now I gotta wash it. Because you're doing that. That. Thought the video was done, didn't you? You guys should subscribe down below. Click that button and subscribe only if you want to. I'm not forcing you to, but it'd be nice if you guys could subscribe. Just simply click the button
down below, and I'm pretty sure there's other buttons somewhere around here, but I don't know where that is, so I'm just gonna put it here. Click that button and subscribe. Also, you guys can find me down here. Other than YouTube, there is my Instagram. My other social media sites are for family and friends, unless you really want to follow me on like Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, or whatever. Just comment below or DM me on my Instagram. And yeah, I'm not too strict about it. I just don't want to put it here right now. So just my Instagram for now, right there. You can follow me. It's right there. Yeah. So see you guys in the next video soon. Yeah. Bye.